Feeling off? Tired for no apparent reason? Maybe a little broken? They tell you it's stress, that it's age, that it happens to everyone. But what if they're lying to you? What if those normal aches and pains are actually red lights flashing on your body's dashboard, warning you of a silent danger that many ignore until it's too late? Listen closely. That constant fatigue, that unquenchable thirst, that occasional blurry vision might not be just age. They could be the early signs that your body is fighting an internal battle with sugar. A battle that, if you don't catch it in time, can lead you straight to type 2 diabetes. Many people live for years with high blood sugar without knowing it. Years during which this silent enemy is damaging their blood vessels, nerves, organs, while they blame work or poor sleep. How is it possible that symptoms as different as frequent urination and difficulty concentrating are connected by the same hidden cause? Stay with me, because today we're going to reveal not only the 10 key signs that your sugar is too high, but also why they happen, so you understand what your body is desperately trying to tell you. This could be the most important thing you hear about your health this year. Let's start! Sign 1. The bathroom becomes your best friend. Too frequent. Yes, that annoying need to urinate more than usual, even waking you up at night. It's not that your bladder has shrunk. When you have too much sugar in your blood, your kidneys work overtime trying to filter and eliminate it. How do they do it? By producing more urine. If you wake up exhausted from nighttime interruptions, this is a classic sign. Your body is desperately trying to get rid of the excess. Sign 2. Unquenchable thirst. Polydipsia. This goes hand in hand with the previous one. If you urinate more, you lose more fluid. Your body gets dehydrated and screams for water. But it's not normal thirst after exercise. It's a deep, constant thirst that never seems to be satisfied no matter how much you drink. It's your body begging to replace the water it's losing, trying to wash out the excess sugar. Sign 3. Mouth dry as a desert. A direct consequence of the dehydration caused by urinating so much. It's not just a minor annoyance. It's a sticky, uncomfortable dryness. Another sign that your body is losing the battle against excess fluid loss. These three, frequent urination, extreme thirst, and dry mouth, often go together. They're like the first 3 alarms sounding in unison. Sign 4. Blurry vision that comes and goes. Do you notice that sometimes your vision is worse, like you need to clean your glasses, but you don't wear glasses? Excess blood sugar can change the fluid levels inside your eye, causing the lens to swell temporarily. This distorts the light entering, and boom! Blurry vision. If this happens to you recurrently, it's not normal eye strain. It's an urgent sign that sugar is affecting even the delicate machinery of your eyes. See how excess sugar starts affecting different systems? Kidneys working overtime, dehydrated body, even the eyes. All connected by that out-of-control glucose level. Let's keep looking at how this problem manifests. Sign 5. Ravenous hunger, especially after eating. Sounds weird, right? You have plenty of sugar in your blood, but your cells can't use it properly because insulin isn't working correctly. Insulin resistance. Or there isn't enough. So your cells, starving for energy, shout to your brain, "We need fuel." And you feel constantly hungry even shortly after eating. Your body is flooded with energy it can't utilize. Sign 6. Fatigue that knocks you out. This isn't the normal fatigue of a hard day. It's a deep, persistent exhaustion that doesn't improve even with 10 hours of sleep. Why? Same reason as the hunger. Your cells aren't getting the energy from the sugar circulating in your blood. Your body is working overtime to deal with the excess glucose, but at a cellular level, it's energetically bankrupt. You feel physically and mentally drained. Okay, let's pause for a second. Does any of this sound familiar? Do you recognize 1, 2, maybe more of these signs in yourself or someone you know? If so, and if you value this clear, direct information, do me a small favor. Hit the like button. It helps YouTube show this content to more people who might be ignoring these signs without knowing the risk. And if you're not yet part of this community, subscribe and hit the notification bell. We continue sharing vital information for you to take control of your health. Let's continue with the signs. Sign 7. Unexplained weight loss. at first. This can be confusing. If your body can't use sugar for energy, it starts burning fat and muscle at an accelerated rate for fuel. You might lose weight without trying. While it sounds good, it's a sign your body is in emergency mode. Note: later on, with established insulin resistance, the opposite can happen. Difficulty losing weight and increased abdominal fat. Sign 8. Slow wound healing. Does a small cut or scrape take forever to heal? Excess sugar damages small blood vessels and affects circulation. Blood, which carries nutrients and repair cells, doesn't reach the damaged area properly. Plus, high sugar levels can weaken your immune system. It's a double whammy that slows healing. Sign 9. Frequent infections. Do you often suffer from urinary tract infections, yeast infections, especially skin or vaginal, or gum problems, gingivitis? High sugar weakens your defenses. Plus, bacteria and fungi love sugar. It's their favorite food. A glucose-rich environment is paradise for them. If infections keep coming back, suspect your sugar levels. Sign 10. Tingling or numbness neuropathy. This is often a later sign, but crucial. Excess sugar over a long time damages nerve endings, especially in the hands and feet. You might feel tingling, burning, pins and needles, or even loss of sensation. It's a serious complication called diabetic neuropathy. Now you understand the why. From the kidneys to the eyes, through cellular energy, healing, and nerves, everything is connected by how your body handles, or doesn't handle, sugar. These 10 signs aren't isolated annoyances. They are the manifestation of a deep internal imbalance caused by excess glucose. Did you identify with several of these signs? Listen carefully. Those signals you might have dismissed as just age or stress are your body's way of screaming that it needs help, that your sugar level is out of control. But here comes the key question. Does this mean you already have diabetes? That there's nothing you can do? Not necessarily. There's a crucial phase called pre-diabetes. It's a window of opportunity. Your sugar levels are high, yes, but you haven't yet crossed the line into irreversible type 2 diabetes. In the pre-diabetes phase, you can reverse the situation. You can take steps to normalize your sugar and avoid diabetes with all its risks: heart attacks, blindness, amputations. But that window doesn't last forever. Ignoring these signs is playing Russian roulette with your future health. The most important action: now. If you recognize several of these symptoms, don't panic, but act. The most important thing you can do is talk to a healthcare professional. Ask for a blood test to measure your fasting glucose and your hemoglobin A1C, which gives an idea of your average sugar level over the last 3 months. Only a professional can give you an accurate diagnosis. While you seek that medical appointment, or if you want to better understand how to start balancing your sugar naturally with diet changes, exercise, I've prepared something for you. It's a simple guide with practical tips. I'll leave the link to download it for free down in the comments. It's support, not a substitute for medical advice, but it will give you tools to start. Remember, diabetes is silent, but its signs aren't so silent if you know how to listen. Recognizing these symptoms in time gives you the power to change your future. Don't underestimate them. If something doesn't feel right, act now. Your health is in your hands. Hey, I know this information can be a lot, but it's vital. To continue learning how to take care of your body and regain your energy, watch this other video I'm leaving for you right here on the screen. It's the next logical step on this journey. And if this video has been helpful or motivated you to take action, please give me a like. That simple click helps this vital information reach more people who might be at risk without knowing it. Share this video with your family and friends. You could be helping someone detect a problem in time. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming content on natural health and wellness. Thanks for your time. Take good care and see you in the next video.